Have I been like slowly poisoning our family?
Radioactive.
But seriously, is this safe to eat out of? I don't think it probably would be.
Well, first of all, I don't think it's that much radiation, so it's probably fine.
I mean,
but also
they put like a tiny amount in there.
Yeah, but also it would be in the glass. It wouldn't be shedding unless the glass breaks.
Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, I guess let me know. Have I just been slowly poisoning my family and I didn't know it? And I feel horrible now.
Dun, dun. I wish we could find a Geiger counter. That would be cool to Geiger counter it.
Yeah.
Well, surely in Wyoming, somebody's got a Geiger counter around here.
Really?
Yeah, probably so. We should ask online.
I have, after we did all this, this is my great-grandmother's cookie jar. I think from the 1920s or 30s. I don't know. Grandma Tatum's mom.
Oh, wow.
So we've been using this for 70 years. Maybe that explains a lot with the family.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're
The curse of the cookie jar.
the curse of the cookie jar. So we're gonna test this and see too. And then I got these at a garage sale, and I absolutely love them. And used them I use them all the time for serving bowls. Let's see, do I have anything else with that thing? I don't know. I don't know. Do I have anything else? I gotta clean up my pantry here. But okay, so here's how we'll test. So here's a new canning jar to look old. So this is how we'll test the difference, okay? Okay, I think I've been poisoning my family and I didn't know it. So I showed this little, I don't know what, candy dish or something that I got for $2 at a garage sale, and I was going to use it as a bird feeder, and then somebody said they think it's uranium glass. Okay, I got this little guy right here. Is that not too cute? Oh my goodness, it was just $2. Now what I was going to do with it was put it right here in my really super long flower box as a bird feeder. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it sitting here minus the price tag, and put flowers floating in here above my sink. I don't know. Jack and BJ had said something about it, and I just kind of ignored them. I'm sorry.
Okay.
But they said take a UV light, and let's go in the bathroom and look. Okay, so Jack, carry this. You got the light. Here's a regular canning jar. Okay. So let's see if I've been radiating my family and I didn't know it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. All right, so there it is.
Oh my goodness. We're not even directly shining it.
So this is a regular new jar that's green.
This is a green, yeah. See, this is a green jar.
Oh,
wow.
my goodness.
That is cool.
Oh my goodness.
It's uranium.
Okay, go get the cookie jar, dear.
Uranium.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Jonathan.
That is cool.
I am so sorry, Jack. Have I been poisoning my family this whole time with my other containers and I didn't know it? Wow, that's actually pretty cool. But is this safe? I don't know. Is it safe to use that as a candy dish? I probably wouldn't.
Well, we've been
What
using
is a cookie
this.
jar?
Okay, here we go. Here's the cookie jar.
Let's move the candy jar real quick here.
Okay.
Let's,
Okay, so here's great grandma's cookie jar.
It glows.
This explains it all.
And then here's a regular glass. Well, do you think it's radiation or do you think it's... No.
Well, they say it's radiation.
This one is a regular green one right here.
Okay,
Shine a
so
light.
shine a light. Okay, so this is my... Okay, so let's turn on the light here. So this is my regular... Okay, so I thought this one was old, but maybe it's
This
not.
one's old. I was gonna...
Patent pending. Okay, so that was old. So hold on. Okay, so then
right next to it, we'll put this other one.
So this is great grandma's that went with this cookie jar. That's what we keep our salt in. Oh my goodness.
Radioactive salt.
Does this explain everything?
Yeah. When they say you're hot, they're not kidding.
Oh, the light burned out.
Oh, the light burned out.
There.
Okay, hold on. We gotta go back
Okay,
in.
now we're looking for more dishes. All these antique dishes. A lot of pale green antique dishes.
Oh my
It
goodness.
seems like it's the pale green that shows.
Okay, let's see.
Put this one over here.
I use these every day for serving. Oh my goodness. Have I been radiating our family? Okay, Jack, hold on. Okay, shine it on me and see if I'm glowing.
I can't shine it in your eyes.
Well, just shine it on my chin. Here, I'll close my eyes.
Shine it on her face.
Am I glowing?
She's got her eyes
Oh,
closed.
she's glowing purple.
Am I
Sure,
glowing?
that's-
Am I glowing?
Whoa, you have a weird looking red marker on your face.
Oh, great, I do. Have I been like slowly poisoning our family?
Radioactive.
But seriously, is this safe to eat out of? I don't think it probably would be.
Well, first of all, I don't think it's that much radiation, so it's probably fine.
I mean,
but also,
they put like a tiny amount in there.
yeah, but also, it would be in the glass. It wouldn't be shedding unless the glass breaks.
Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, I guess let me know. Have I just been slowly poisoning my family and I didn't know it? And I feel horrible
Dun,
now.
dun, dun. I wish we could find a Geiger counter. That would be cool, the Geiger counter it.
Yeah.
Well, surely in Wyoming, somebody's got a Geiger counter around here.
Really?
Yeah, probably so. We should ask on mine.
Okay, guys, comment and let us know if we've been poisoning ourselves and we didn't know it. Okay, so I got to thinking. I have more jars up here. So I have this one. I think this is new. And then I have this salt shaker. And then I have this salt shaker. And I'm pretty sure this isn't anything. This is new, I think. Oops. Oh dear. And then I have this
Well, is that
and this.
not quite green? I mean, maybe it's slightly.
Okay, let's go check it out, Jack. Here, we'll just come in the pantry. Well, no,
Okay.
let's go in the bathroom. We don't have enough space.
Bum 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 bum. Oh, this is with our other collection.
Okay. Okay, so let's see. So I have this one and this one. So these are all the ones we're testing now.
Yeah.
And this. Okay.
I don't think this one is going to be anything, or these like whiter
I think
ones.
this is new. I'm like 100% positive this is new, but. Okay, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Jack! Oh my goodness. That's not glowing,
Wait.
right?
No.
Okay.
Is this one?
No,
No.
that's a new one. Oh my goodness. I've been putting our salt in these for 40 years.
Wow, that is really cool.
Oh my goodness. So after my video came out, Loretta sent me an email showing me that this had just sold for $45. I paid $2 for it. So then I got to looking. So Great Grandma's cookie jar, which is between 1930 and 1939, so almost 100 years old, is worth around $100. The set of 4 salt shakers, I have 3, is worth about 120. And then a set of 4 bowls, and I have 3, was 150, so probably $125. So here, I had no idea that these things were so old and actually valuable. But now I kind of feel sad. I've had this salt shaker for a really long time. And I've really liked using it, but I guess I'm not going to be doing it now. Okay, so Jack, do you want to be on camera? Or do you mind?
Sure.
Okay, so here's Jack's opinion. What's Jack's
I
opinion?
wasn't sure if there's actually like enough uranium in there for it to be dangerous.
They say there's 2%.
Well, that was just a ballpark that I said.
No, that's what they said online
Oh, that's
too.
what they said online?
Yeah. So see, you had a great guesstimate.
Huh.
So what are you saying? Grandma's used those for 80 years. Because Grandma Bessie probably got them brand new.
Well, I mean, I don't know.
This is a quandary, isn't it?
I mean, none of us have gotten cancer yet, so.
Well, yet.